Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have something a little different. Let me know if you hate it, because then I won't do it again. But I was having fun with it. We're going to look at an old ad. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Please consider hyping. And we'll jump in. But who used the 15% off? Who got lucky on Thursday? A few of you got lucky Thursday with the ITC early access. I'll make sure I make note of that next time there's an early access, because it's likely that things will stack on those days. So HARBROs, make note. Let me know how your weekend was. Outside of that, let's kind of jump in. Harbor Freight tools, quality tools at ridiculous low prices. This is an ad from February 2010 plus 32 super coupons. It's here, your new monthly savings book packed with ridiculously low prices. And we won't spend too much time, but I want to focus on some of the things. I find these super interesting going back in time. Let me know if you remember getting this in the mail or at the store. But look at this super coupon, Central Machinery, Chicago Electric Classic Hallmaster, Central Machinery, 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands for $13. What a deal. Are these the ones that you don't want to use? I don't know. Limit one per customer at 13 bucks. That's nuts. Central Machinery. Is this Stick Tech? No, this is Central Flex. 10 rolls for $3.50. Central Pneumatic, familiar. Chicago Electric with the welder, 80 bucks. Chicago Electric Power Tools. Pittsburgh Alert. Lifetime warranty. 13-piece screwdriver set with cushion grip. 8 slotted and 5 fill-ups with magnetic tips. $5, 58% off. This seems like a pretty good deal. Don't forget, join Inside Track. Excellent first page. Let's keep going. Drill Master, they've heard of me. Camouflage, Chicago Electric 12-volt wireless remote-controlled portable winch. Is this what Badland used to be? It used to be Chicago Electric, 60 bucks. Hallmaster hand truck. And look at this fine thing. I don't know who she is, but this fine executive safe, $250. I'm glad they put her in the picture for reference to how big this is. Triple steel walls for added security. 105-piece toolkit, central force. Never heard of that. Overhead gas, overhead valve saves gas, 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft overhead valve gas engine. EPA certified, not available in California. That's pretty similar. Log splitter. U.S. General alert. U.S. General racing jack, a 3,000 pound capacity, lightweight aluminum racing jack, low profile saddle, $69.99. Nice. Normally $100. U.S. General. I think I'd like a U.S. General floor jack. Central Pneumatic, pressurized abrasive blaster. Pittsburgh Alert. Lifetime warranty, of course. Look at that. That hasn't changed. $10 for a 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar. Western Safety still around. Blood pressure monitor. That's different. Electronic digital safe. I think this is on sale now. I mean, this is Union Safe Company, $25. This is Opcom, so maybe not exactly the same, but $50. Sitter stand behind rolling walker. $80. Bath safety grip. I need one of those. A Centec digital pocket scale. That's cool. Multi-load can crusher. Home haircut kit. Some Hardy gloves for $5. Helping Hand Central Force. Helping Hands, don't Google that. For close-up work, $3. Ultra ear sound amplifier. One Stop Gardens. Greenhouse, that hasn't changed. Collapsible animal trap. 2-door for $30. I don't even think the picture has changed. Look at that. Medium animal trap for $30. Price hasn't changed. Picture hasn't even changed. It is the exact same picture. Come on, Harbor Freight. Tarps? Tarps in the building. Big top tarps, 31% off, $4 your choice. Central Machinery gas auger drill. Hunting survival knife for $9 from Gordon. Has that changed? Doesn't look like it has. $9, 8-inch survival. And it has a little safety kit built in. Hallmaster Bigfoot wagon, $40. Where's the icon alert? Centec 7-function digital multimeter. I don't think that's changed. $3. Chicago Electric 45-watt solar panel kit for $200. Yikes. It's a different time. Is this the Braun flashlight? Nope. Gordon 4-inch 9 LED flashlight, 90,000 micro candela. Someone do the math for me. Hercules alert. 1 horsepower, 3,000 gallons per hour dirty water submersible pump. Actually can't tell what this is. Looks like Hercules, but I don't believe it is. Pittsburgh alert. Jumbo aluminum pipe wrenches for $30. Bauer alert. Is this Bauer? French fry potato chopper. Makes perfect fries every time. Stainless steel 4-piece stock pot set for $25. We're missing out on some of these past inventory, $6. Ceramic knives, they're even selling a little dog for $6. Looks like a Shih Tzu Bulldog mix. 23-inch round pet bed. Gordon scissors were still a thing. Cable ties, storehouse in the house for the last 15 years. At least $2. It's expensive. One Stop Gardens flagpole kit, not available in Minnesota. $10. Maybe things don't change too much. The 18-inch machete for $5 sounds right. 18-inch machete, Gordon, $6. So it's gone up in price by $1. I don't know who made this one. Probably Gordon. We got Air Tools, Central Pneumatic, seems right. Central Pneumatic, US General alert, 60-gallon, 5 horsepower, 3.5 horsepower, $800. Go US Goodyear? Where's Merlin? Goodyear hoses. More Central Pneumatic. Everything had a central flare. Central Forge. Central Flex. Central Pneumatic. Was that the Icon? More Central Pneumatic. Air Tools. Impact wrenches. Earthquake. It says Central Pneumatic. Earthquake. They split the branding. More Air Tools. More Central Pneumatic. This looks the same, but Central Pneumatic Professional Gravity Feed Spray Guns. Dual Chuck Tire Inflator. Central Pneumatic. Pocket blowguns, Central Pneumatic, Drill Master. Here we are again. Power tools. Here we go. Chicago Electric Power Tools. 1/2-inch electric impact wrench, variable speed, reversible drill, all corded, except for this Chicago Electric 18-volt cordless drill driver kit, $38. Looks like Chicago Electric was in the cordless game. Is this Bauer? Nope. Drill Master, 18-volt 3/8 cordless drill with keyless chuck. Drill Master's in the house. Chicago Electric. More power tools. All Chicago Electric and Drill Master. Would have had a lot more Drill Master jokes 15 years ago. 10-inch sliding compound miter saw from Chicago Electric, $100. Chicago Electric reciprocating saw, circular saw with laser. Look at, you can see the laser shooting out. A variable speed jigsaw from Chicago Electric. Now we're into welding. Let me take a guess. Chicago Electric, Chicago Electric, Chicago Electric, Chicago Electric. We got shop equipment, Hall Master movers dolly, Hall Master heavy duty scaffolding, US General alert. Wait a second, I can't tell what it is. $69.99 though, nice. Central Machinery, movers blankets from Hallmaster. And here we go, shop equipment, US General alert. 11-drawer roller cabinet for $200. The 5-drawer mechanics cart for $180. Similar price as this Series 1. US General, and then US General and all the different assortments. That's pretty cool. Storehouse parts rack hasn't changed. $30. This thing hasn't changed either. $69.99. Nice. It's still the same, except $90 here. But I think that was similar. Normally $100. Shop equipment, bench drill presses, $60 and $70. $69.99. Chicago. Central Machinery. Forgive me. Central Machinery. Planer with dust collection, belt sander, bench grinders. These things we just saw finally sell out. $300. Woodworking bandsaw. Some more shop equipment, Chicago Electric, hand tools, Central Forge, $3 hammer, US General fiberglass, sledgehammer, Central Forge as well, rubber mallets, stubbies, chrome vanadium, steel Pittsburgh alert, screwdriver set 22-piece, nut setters, lifetime warranty, go get them replaced right now. The 6-in-1 screwdriver with TPH handle, $2. Pittsburgh alert, 7-piece pliers set for $10. 11-inch long reach needle nose pliers for $3. Icon alert, wait a second, Pittsburgh alert, snap ring pliers and 6-piece precision pliers set. Quinn alert again, or Doyle, Pittsburgh. Folding locking back utility knife. Clamps haven't changed. 9-piece highly polished combo wrench sets, Pittsburgh. I think this is going to be a free tool next weekend. I'll make that video. $10. Price hasn't changed. More hand tools. Chrome vanadium steel. 16-piece combination wrench set, $20. Adapter set for $3. We've seen that. 65-piece socket set for $30. Icon, Pittsburgh. Extendable ratchet for $15 for the 1/2-inch. Impact extension set, $9. And here we go. We got some Daytona alert. Just kidding. Central Hydraulics alert. Heavy duty floor jacks. Save $15. $80 for the 2-ton low profile. A couple 3 tons for $5. Here's the utility trailer. We all know that. Portable car canopies. This is definitely an older picture. Car has changed. The Red Rags of Death, 50 pack for 10 bucks. More Automotive, Central Hydraulics, Rapid Pump, 2-ton capacity, lightweight low profile aluminum racing jack for 160. Central Hydraulics, what happened? A shop seat from US General and a US General creeper no longer exists. 4-piece tie-down set looks familiar. Triple ball trailer hitch also looks familiar. The US General floor jacks, aluminum racing jacks, 140 and 150. Save $10, still a kind of poop discount, but I would have liked to see a US General floor jack. That's interesting. Central Hydraulics compact floor jack. Another US General 3,000 pound capacity aluminum racing jack with LED lights? Say what? 90 bucks? Some Hallmaster loading ramps. Pittsburgh Mechanics roller seat and creeper. No, these are Hallmaster? Can't tell. Microfiber cloths, of course. More Central Machinery heavy duty jack stand super deal for $90 for the 12 ton, 30 bucks for the 6 ton. The classic Hallmaster mini cart, and then the coupons on the back page. Pittsburgh half-inch torque drive torque wrench for 10 bucks. And I wonder this was probably the 30% off coupon. Anyways, I thought this was interesting. This was a lot longer than I expected. Which deals did you reminisce on? Anyways, let me know if this was ridiculous as the low prices in this ad. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more real deals, I will send them your way.